Water play for toddlers is here. Riko and Max want to play with water now. The sun is bright in the yard. Riko sees the large round water basin full of water. Max runs to the basin fast. "Water is cool," said Riko. Riko puts one hand in the water. The water feels cold and new. Max smiles and taps the water. "Splash," said Max. The water makes a big splash. Riko laughs at the splash. Max wants to play more. Max splashes the water hard. The water goes high. Water gets on Riko's face. "Stop," said Riko. Too much splash on Riko's eyes. Riko needs to be safe near water. Max looks at Riko. Max puts hands down. "Sorry," said Max. Max wants to play safe with water. Riko nods. "Safe is good," said Riko. "Play with water slow. Then water can stay fun. Water is for happy play. Safe keeps the play long." "Water and safe go together," said Nana. "Stop and think, then play again." Riko and Max listen. Riko dips a cup in the water basin. Max watches the water drop. "See the water?" said Riko. "Small splash is fun. Big splash needs to stop." Max tries a small splash. The water makes a tiny circle. Riko claps. "Play like this," said Max. Water is fun. Riko and Max keep the play safe. Riko and Max pass the cup. Water goes back and forth. The water shines in the sun. Riko smiles at Max. Water is new for Riko and Max. Safe makes water fun. Stop means care. Max nods. Riko is right. Water, play, and safe make a good day. The water moves slow. Riko and Max sit by the water basin. The water is calm and cool. Do you like to play with water? Will you stop when the splash is too big? See you next time in Sunny Forest.
Riko World, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too, and Riko World, hooray! Riko World,